Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. On this channel, I share tips for Japanese home cooking, cultural stories behind foods, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. So if you love Japan and want to learn about our local foods in depth, this channel is for you. Now, I want to talk about Sakura Mochi that I'm making today. Sakura Mochi is a typical springtime treat, typically made of an outer layer of mochi wrapped in a sakura leaf. Last year, I created a video about classic Sakura Mochi, which is wrapped in a sakura leaf. This year, I want to share another version of Sakura Mochi. Instead of wrapping mochi in a sakura leaf, I will top it with a pickled sakura flower. 今日は桜餅を作ってみたいと思います。So, let's get started! Rinse pickled sakura flowers with water to remove the salt. Round the bean paste into balls. These balls will be used in the filling. Place Domyoji in a microwave-safe container. Domyoji rice flour is common ingredient used in Japanese dessert. If you can't find Domyoji rice flour, you can also make sakura mochi with your glutinous rice. For the recipe, please find the link in the description below. Add hot boiling water, small amount of red food color, and stir. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, heat in microwave for 2 minutes at 500 watt. Then add sugar, stir, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap again and set it for 10 minutes. Take a piece of plastic wrap and place it on your table. Divide the dough into 4 portions and place one portion on top of the plastic wrap. Spread out and place the filling on top of the dough. Then wrap the dough around the bean paste filling. Let's place the sakura flower on top of the mochi. Now, the sakura mochi is complete. This sakura mochi is lightly sweetened and should be eaten as is to enjoy the distinctive flavor of the pickled sakura flower. However, if you make sakura mochi without sakura flower, you can top it with any edible flowers as a substitute for a sakura flower. Today, I shared sakura mochi recipe. If you find the channel informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I also share many Japanese desserts on my Instagram account too. You can search for @Miss_Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!